had this very outside sense of humor, which came up in the most unlikely of circumstances. And one thing that I learned was never to say or do something in front of him that could be filed away and brought up at some later time, to cause trouble. All tours, my routine on a daily basis is I wake up in the morning, and the first thing I do, or just maybe the second thing I do after coffee, is I iron my clothes for the day. And then I go down for breakfast, which is actually quite different from what most people on tour do. Is they go down for breakfast and then they come back and, bathe and get into their clothes or whatever. And for 10 or 12 years, he made fun of this. He would, every morning he would say, "Kya Mujib ji aapko dekhiye? से हमको देखिए ट्रैक पैंट्स और टी शर्ट में नीचे आते हैं, आपकी इतनी कड़क इस्त्री है कि अगर क्रीज पे उंगली घुमा दे तो कट जाएगी." And it carried on in this vein forever. Cut to Kunal Kapoor is having his usual Prithvi birthday concert, and he calls me 15 days before and says, "My usual sound contractor has quit the business, so find me somebody because they amplify in the cafe." 8 o'clock, I get a panic call from Arun. As in, he was unable to speak on the phone. Oh, full like that. So I said, "Calm down. What happened?" So he said, "I was in the middle of some other show somewhere else, and somehow I managed to rush there and get to Prithvi at 7 o'clock. And so I said, 'Did you meet Kunal?' 'Yeah, I met Kunal, but Taufik didn't come. Zakir sir was there.' So I said, 'So what? He knows all the details as well. You should speak to him.' So he said, 'I did.' So I said, 'And?' So he says, he looked me up and down and said, 'Who are you?' So I said, 'Sir, Arun.' He said, 'What will you do?' He said, 'Sir, मैं sound करूँगा.' 'मुजीब भाई ने भेजा है?' I said, 'हाँ, इस्त्री बराबर नहीं है.' And this guy is justifying to me on the phone that I was 14 hours in some other show. And how can I said, "Keep quiet. He's not talking to you. He's talking to me." Lovely.